Alright guys, so here is the deal. Corey is running True Street. Everybody knows Corey's car. Coyote, all that, built in the shop. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do the entire True Street so you can watch, see how it works. So basically we're gonna have lane call here shortly, and we'll take the car up and they're gonna have a driver's meeting where everybody talks about what's going on, what they're doing, all that. And Corey, then once that happens, then we're gonna go on a 30 mile cruise, and then it's back, three back-to-back passes. Three back-to-back passes, and basically we're going to try to, you're going to do the 11.0 index, or 12.0.
Slow it down.
Okay, so 12.0 index. So basically everybody that runs the fastest, most consistent for 10s, 11s, 13, 4, all that. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to basically do all of that today. Reliably with the Coyote, go really fast. I'm ready. Let's rock this shit out. Alright boys, we are locked and loaded. Just finished up driver's meeting. Corey got all the necessary checks done.
Got them.
We're gonna kill it, y'all. I'm telling you, we're gonna kill it.
Ready to ride.
Ready to rock and roll.
Let's do it.
We're gonna do some work. Alright y'all, let's go. Alright boys, we are leaving out. Busy day in Bowling Green today, boys. So I got the instructions right here. I'm gonna run navigation. It says the first thing it tells us to do is we're gonna turn left out of the racer gate. So we're gonna follow these guys, I guess. And we've got to go up here and get a punch card. And that's basically going to be our first stop. Of course, Corey's always, he's just cool.
Oh, yeah.
Corey's just cool. He just does what he does. Game face on. So I think this is where we get our card up here.
First card.
Yes, sir. All right. So what's our card say? Okay. Let's present card to run. See, we got to get these little punches every stop, so here we go, boys. Alright guys, we are rolling. We are out on the road here a little bit. Got to open it up and just rolling. Now remember, this is a 2-speed power glide, so it's high and low basically. So we're gonna run a few RPMs here. It's all good though. It's a Yodi. Ready, right?
Ready.
We should be.
No RPMs for you.
Exactly. Yeah. So we should be coming up on the first checkpoint here shortly. But right sign that we would know.
Yeah, really. It's like Area 51, ain't it?
Oh, we got a casualty over here. I guess we go right now. Well, I don't know. He went through.
He did.
Yeah. So now everybody's gonna go the wrong way. Yeah.
You're going right.
Oh, okay.
How's it going, guys?
Good. All right. Thanks, sir.
Thanks, man.
All right, boys. So we got our stamp. There it is. We are headed back to Beach Bend Raceway Park.
Punch your card. Thank you.
Look at those guys over there. Look at that. How badass is that, dude?
That's awesome.
That Thunderbird is waking. Look at that thing. Look at the Lumen stars on the front. Alright, boys, we have got 3 punches. And now the waiting begins. Alright, boys, so insider trick, we've got to slow the car down to run 12.0. So right now he's going to short shift it. You normally shift it at
65.
At 65, so he's going to short shift it at 55, and then instead of using
2/10.
that should do 2/10, and then
Foot brake it instead of trans brake it. That'll knock off 2 more tenths, so that'll
Okay.
put me into 12.0.
okay. So theoretically, we're about to test that theory because we're getting lane call now. Theoretically, we've cut out 4/10.
Yep. So should be at the 12.0 where we need to be.
Right.
And then we can make our difference up on the second run if we had to drag another 100 RPMs out, or if we had to add a couple hundred
Right.
RPMs.
Right. It is hot, so you know this first test hit.
Yep.
See what's up. So here we go, boys.
Who's next on the dead battery contest? 10%?
Dude, you went fast.
Yeah.
You
Too fast.
went fast.
I gotta slow it down a little more.
Yeah. All right. So you got your what's your time slip?
I gotta run a 12.09 with a 5 2 times in a row,
Oh shit.
or anything over a 12 this go around. So I'm gonna go down through there. I'm gonna short shift it again.
Okay.
I foot braked it, and I'm gonna womp it a couple of times on the other end.
Okay. So basically, the way it works is you got a lower your index. And
So
that
you
way
pull
your
it out.
average is under that. And so that's what we're gonna try to do on next pass. So we're gonna have to go really freaking slow this time. What was ET that time?
96.
Okay, so 96.
1196.
So what's that bump you up to now?
1190.
Okay.
So I need to go at 10. I need to run a 30, 1230.
Okay. Boom. You got this, dude. All right.
Dude in the blue car, what he runs. Huh? That's that guy in the blue car. See who I paired up with.
All right, so Corey, we got to do a 23, right?
23.
All right, baby. You got this. So that's the deal, guys. In order for him to be right at the 12.0 index, he has got to run a 23 or slower. Any faster, and his average is burnt. So, all right, brother, kick some ass. At 88. $11.91 at 119. All right, guys, so I had to find a quiet spot I can kind of end this video. I hope you enjoyed the True Street experience, and you got to see one of the cars, you know, Corey's car that we built right there in the shop, go out there and kick some ass running True Street, and had an absolute blast. Hope you enjoyed that. And again, if you hadn't been out to the World Finals, the Holly Intergalactic Spectacular event thing, you definitely need to come. At this point, we've got to get my car home, figure out what's wrong with it, because it's got still plenty more places to go. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I need a beer. Later, guys.